moving forward, I want everybody to aspire of becoming more successful in our chosen career. But then, we have to be very mindful about it. We have to be very conscious about it. Hindi ito yung hindi lang pinagplano. Hindi ito yung basta ka na lang working every day without any roadmap along the way, right? You agree? Okay, so let me tell you my own philosophy on how to become successful in life, despite of the difficulties. Number one, never become average. From now on, I want you to have this particular mindset. Don't become average. Shy away from being average. I cannot think of any top performer in any field. I cannot think of any champion in any profession who have done the word average on the average, right? Wala. Wala ganon. You must be excelling in your own field. You must be courageous in doing things to test the waters in order for you to go to the next level. Now, the question is, how can I be above average? How can I be a cut above the rest? How can I be noticed by people around me? How can I be an inspiration to anybody? Very important, focus. You have to focus on what you want to do. You have to focus on your skills. Develop the skills, the talent, the capacity to absorb learning. I want everybody to learn how to learn. You get it? Again, I want you to learn how to learn. Because if you don't do that, if you don't consciously learn how to learn, you cannot absorb the things that go into your brain. So be above average. For all you know, your being an average could be below standard to other people already. Your being an average, you are being left out already. With the way technology and the industry is going, sobrang bilis ng pace na yan. So you have to understand the rules of the game and aspire always to become above average. Second, this is more important. Identify your distractions. Try to be conscious about it. Alin yung nakaka-distract sa trabaho at sa karir ko na nakakapagpa-slow down ng aking progress. Remember this, distraction kills motivation. Distraction eliminates ambition. Distraction could lead to distraction. Understand? So, if we are being told to make the what to do list, why not try making also the what not to do list? And you will be amazed that your productivity will zoom up if you remove those distractions. Understand? Third, never depend your motivation from other people. Ako, I'm trying to learn this for myself. Don't depend your motivation from other people. In fact, don't ask other people to motivate you. That is not sustainable. Okay? So find your own motivation from within. In fact, you find your own obsession. You find your own passion. If I ask you individually, and if you want to tell me the truth, being managers, saan ka galing? Ano na experience mo? Saan ka magaling na wala yung iba? Okay? And for